More than six figures in annual income were reported by 729 individuals. For many people, this revenue can change their lives, and many of them are brand new starters who have never made money online before. Today, I'll be demonstrating 3 distinct money-making apps in total, along with some unique methods for automating everything so that you don't need to do anything at all and can continue to generate free money with complete automation. Now, you won't find this recently found secret technique anyplace else, so stay tuned at the end because I'll give you another special bonus for free. So don't miss out on that, and be sure not to miss any important steps. Now let's watch the video. 3 different apps will be discussed today. Use them all to potentially increase your income by 5 to 10 times. So let's start with the first app. Look at this, Make Money Free Cash app. It's ideal for beginners who have no experience or skill and want something simple. They pay out fairly well and are straightforward to use. The nicest part about this is that it is completely free and accessible in all countries around the world. Now, I want you to look at this application more closely. If you have an Android phone, you can download this from the Google Play Store. And if you have an iPhone, you can download it from the App Store. Now, as soon as you make it, you can continually make money by clicking on your smartphone. You can withdraw money into a bank account, a PayPal account, or a cryptocurrency wallet. Well, that is if you prefer cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. There are simply so many available payout options. Even if this pays very well for merely clicking, you still need to use your phone for a lot of clicks. Now, I want to show you this secret loophole since it will enable you to click on the app daily without having to think about it. So keep watching because I'll explain it in detail on how it operates and how we can collaborate with a few free tools to generate much more income automatically. Now, one very important factor is how to withdraw the money. Many people perform it incorrectly. They earn all of that money, but it remains locked up inside the app, and they never manage to cash it out. So watch all the way through so we can earn some real money and cash it out. Once you have earned all of your profits, they will congratulate you. How much money are you bringing in? Thereafter, you have a variety of ways to pay out. I advise using PayPal if you want to withdraw money in less than 3 or 2 days. The finest aspect of this application is how completely transparent it is. It will tell you how much money you make today and each hour, and it will even let you see the actual numbers. Then you can turn them all into actual hard cash. After all, you must have a way to keep track of all of your earnings. There are 4.6 stars present out of more than 468,000 ratings. You see, this is not brand new or unproven. Rather, it has been on the market for so long that customers continue to profit from it. Next, I'll be revealing to you the secret of how all of those folks can earn such large sums of money. The first thing I want you to do is to go to your App Store or Google Play Store and type in Auto Clicker. This is the name of the application that lets you tap and click on your screen automatically, using free software that you can download on your phone. You will generate money utilizing various apps and websites every time it clicks and taps on the screen on your phone. I only used this automatic clicker for a basic program when I first started. Then later, I came across a brand new program from real developers that is currently a top trending application. Since this is a somewhat newer application, they'll show you that you can download it and it has over 6,000 reviews with an average rating of 4.5 stars. They are an emerging app that few people are familiar with yet. And the nicest factor of this auto clicker is how basic and user-friendly it is. After setting them out, you can do this. You can choose a location on your phone, such as the middle. That is, if you want them to be in a single target mode. There is a blue circle there as well. You can program the robot to automatically click on your phone in that area each time you want it. Every second, it taps on the screen of your phone. You can do it in 60 times a minute, and you can earn so much money on autopilot by doing that. You'll also earn far more money if you own many devices, such as 2 or even 3 smartphones or an iPad. There are more complex strategies involving several targets which you can click on repeatedly in various spots. I also discovered that there are no distinctions between single target and multiple target situations. So before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. So simply click on Select Single Target while making sure to repeatedly click in the same spot. You can make automatic money repeatedly on full autopilot by clicking 60 times in a minute. Now for the second app. It's called Feature Points, which you may download for free or access through the website featurepoints.com. By performing various tasks, including downloading apps and accepting daily referrals, you can get passive revenue. Numerous points continue to be raised daily on complete autopilot. This application allows you to cash out through PayPal, which is how I do it. You can enter contests, download applications, complete surveys, and share this with friends. And in this program, you can do a huge variety of things. Now, the third placed app is the last one. Look at this before I reveal the app. They have access in so many countries. You can start using and download this program on your iOS or Android devices for 100% free, no matter what country you're in. Once you've downloaded it, you can withdraw your funds to purchase gift cards for iTunes, Amazon, or PayPal. You can share your thoughts and do surveys on this website called iPoll. And the surveys on this website are quite easy to complete. It takes 3 to 5 minutes to complete, and after you do, you'll start receiving more and more simple, easy surveys that will help you increase your revenue. The more work you put in, the more profitable surveys you receive, and the more money you make. Survey on the Go is a bonus money-making website that I'll show you now. It's another survey website that you can use, and every time you click and do a short survey, you'll make roughly $1, $2, or $3, and so on. Although it's not much money, you can come here and complete Survey on the Go if you want a little more money coming in on the side. The best part about this is that you can combine AutoClicker on Feature Points and iPoll on all the websites I just named, as well as Survey on the Go. They all add up and provide you with a sizable daily revenue when you combine them. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.